Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to hire someone on the 24 Task Client application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then scroll down or tap on the home page button down below, which is the first option. And after finding the relevant agent that you want to hire, all you have to do is clicking on it and tap on the hire button. After checking out the details such as the about section, skills section, services and reviews, tap on the hire button and tap on send offer after selecting these options such as category, service, budget, deadline, describe and send to. So click on the send offer button and you will be able to send your offer, and then you can proceed with the hiring process. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.